Hello everyone, this is Sajid and I welcome you all to my channel Creative Tutorials with a very big heart. The children, I hope that you all are in a very good mood of studying. Okay, so today we are on our second lecture of our chapter Rational and Irrational Numbers. But before we actually jump into, let's begin with one small joke. Okay, after initial exams, the teacher came and asked, how was the paper? So one of the students answered, it was easy but question number 5 confused me. So teacher asked, what was the question? Student answered, question number 5 wanted the past tense of think. Teacher said, okay, then what happened? The student said, I thought and thought and thought and end up with writing thinked. Teacher was shocked. Finished. Okay, so that was a funny joke. With that funny joke, let us begin with our today's day. Alright, okay dear children, we are on page number 1 and 2 together, okay, of a textbook, where they are telling us that let us see how to show 7 upon 3, 2 minus 2 upon 3 on a number line. Okay, now you can see that I have written so many things already, drawn one number line for you in advance, okay, so that we can shorten the video and get to the main target. Alright, so our first number is 7 upon 3. Then second number is 2 and the third one is minus 2 upon 3. Now we can easily see that 7 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3 are rational numbers. Correct now? This is from what we studied in our previous lecture. Okay. Then you see number 2. Number 2 is a whole number. Correct? And it can be easily shown on the number line. Okay. So suppose if I want to show number 2 on my number line. Okay. I can show it clearly that this is my number 2. Alright. So this is my point 2. Point number 2. Correct? Why? Because it is plus 2. So from 0, I will go 2 units ahead towards my right hand side. Okay? All numbers towards the right hand side of 0 on the number line are positive, and all numbers towards the left of 0 on the number line are negative numbers. Okay? So from that, 2 has come here. Now the question is of 7 upon 3. How to show this number, how to show this rational number on this number line. So my dear children, you can see that I have written something over here. I have written 7 upon 3 as 7 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Okay, this is one thing. And or I have written that 7 upon 3 is equal to 2 plus 1 upon 3. That means I have split my rational number, which is nothing but my improper fraction, okay, into two parts, that is one whole part, okay, and one fraction part. So now see, now if you simplify this further, so you will get 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 upon 3 is your actual fraction which we have got. Okay, that is improper fraction. Okay, so now this 2 plus 1 upon 3, when you bring it together, when you club it together, okay, we have studied this in our previous standards, alright, in 4th standard and all we had studied this, in 4th and 5th also we have studied. So it comes like this, 2 whole 1 upon 3, correct now, where 2 is your whole number and 1 upon 3 is a mixed fraction. Now of this 2, 1, 3, our 2 is the quotient. When you divide in actual, 2 is the quotient, okay, then the number on the top, that is your numerator, is nothing but the remainder in that division which you carry out, and the number the number down below, that is denominator, is nothing but the divisor. Okay, so this is how the breakup is. Alright, so now this number 2 is your whole number and 1 upon 3 is fraction. So improper fraction can be split up into a whole number and fraction. Okay, actually this is not the main part of the chapter, but I had given you this basics, okay, because you must know, okay, what's happening and how we can show these points on the number line, how we can plot it in actual. So if you see 7 multiplied by 1 upon 3, let us come here. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 1 upon 3 means the denominator is 3, correct now? This denominator is 3. That means whatever number is there in the denominator, you will divide each unit into those many numbers or into those many parts. So since we have number 3 over here, so 0 to 1 is 1 unit, 1 to 2 is second unit, 2 to 3 is third unit, and so on. Okay, similarly, from 0 to minus 1 is 1 unit towards the left of 0, and minus 1 to minus 2 is second unit on this side, minus 2 to minus 3 is third unit, and so on. Okay, so what I will do is, since I have denominator 3, okay, we will divide this each unit into 3 equal parts. So suppose if I do like this, 1, 2 and 3, you can see 1, 2, 3, correct now? That means I have divided my 0 to 1, this 1 unit, into 3 equal parts. Same thing I will do here also. 1, 2, 3. So see 1, 2, 3. Same thing over here. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Correct now? Same thing we will do on this side. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. Correct? Now what we have done here in actual, each unit we have divided into 3 equal parts because our denominator is 3 being given to us. Okay? If they would have given us 4 over here in the denominator, we would have divided this each unit into 4 equal parts. If they would have given us 5, we would have divided each unit into 5 equal parts. If they would have given us 6, correct, then we would have divided each unit into 6 equal parts. Alright, so now the question is, let us see how it goes about. Now, it is 7, correct, no? Now start counting 7 digits, okay, from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my point. Okay, this point is nothing but 7 upon 3. Okay, alright. So now we have done this, correct now? Those students who want to go as per this method, okay, splitting of your improper fraction into one whole and a fraction, for them also is 2 plus 1 upon 3. So for 2, my point 2 is already over here, and then 1 upon 3. So this means what? 1 upon 3 means, since it's 3 in the denominator, so we have already divided each unit into 3 equal parts, correct now? So from 2, I will count 1 digit or 1 gap or 1 part. So from 2 up to here is 1 part, correct now? So see, this point comes 7 upon 3. Okay, now the question is, so we have shown 7 upon 3 also on number line. We have shown number 2 also on number line. Now it's the time to plot minus 2 upon 3 on the number line. So what we will do to show minus 2 upon 3 on the number line, first we show 2 upon 3 on it. Okay, so first we show 2 upon 3 on this side, that is towards the right side of 0. Okay, and the number to the left of 0 at the same distance will show the number minus 2 upon 3. Correct? So let us first see where is 2 upon 3 over here. Alright, so see, it's 2 minus 2 upon 3. So denominator is 3 here also, you can see clearly. So since denominator is 3, we have already divided each unit into 3 equal parts. Okay, so now the question is 2. So I will start from 0, 2 parts towards the right hand side. So 1 and 2. So this is the point. Correct? This is the point. I get 2 upon 3. Okay, so now we have said that the number to the left of 0 at the same distance will show the number minus 2 upon 3. So from 0 I have come 2 parts towards the right. So from 0 I will go 2 parts towards the left, and that will give me minus 2 upon 3. So 1 and 2. So this point. So this point is minus 2 upon 3. Okay, dear children, I hope it's very well understood by all of you. It is very simple. If you want to keep perfect distances, correct, you can very well make use of your scale. But there is no hard and fast rule as such. If you want to just draw roughly, you can do it. But keep approximately same at least. Okay. So what I have drawn here is not to the proper scale. I have just took all this numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, everything approximately. Okay. Keeping in mind that they are more or less same. Okay. You can also do the same thing if you want. But if you are okay with taking actual measurements, take actual measurements, all right? But whatever measurements you take, keep in mind that the number of parts you have to divide each unit into should be equal. Correct now? All right. Then, so now we are done with this. Okay, dear children, I hope that you have enjoyed it. Correct? It is very simple basically. Okay, the only thing you need to keep in mind is what is given in the denominator. So whichever number is being given to you in the denominator, those many number of parts we have to divide each unit into. Okay, then if you are done with that, then it is just counting the number of parts and plotting your numbers. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed it, and if you think that you have loved the video, you have loved my way of teaching, you have understood these things, and you are developing confidence in mathematics, it's a humble request to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Okay, so that whenever I upload a new video, basically I upload videos every day. Okay, so as soon as I upload some video, you get the notification instantly and don't miss any lecture. Okay, chalo. So I love you all, dear children. Keep studying, keep growing. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.